When we start YouTube, we picture Jake Paul buying mansions, Speed traveling the world, Mr. Beast giving away millions, and faceless channels pulling insane views. That's the dream, but the reality is very different. Because in reality, nearly 90% of YouTube channels never even reach 1,000 subscribers. Welcome to the Social Billboard, and today we will be talking about why most creators fail on YouTube. It takes a lot of effort, time and heart to bring these informative videos for you, so kindly hit that subscribe button. YouTube has been a goldmine since day one, but what most people don't realize is that it can be a nightmare too. People start channels thinking a few uploads will change their lives. Then reality hits, and instead of adapting, they start chasing dopamine, looking for excuses to sleep peacefully at night. That's when they fall into the loop of watching YouTube gurus with titles like How to Get More Views or How to Get More Subscribers. But the truth is, even the gurus can't save you on YouTube. There's a name for this cycle, the growth hack trap, and it kills the majority of creators. One thing almost all struggling creators have in common is procrastination. They spend more time planning and learning than actually executing. Dreams matter, but execution matters just as much. That's why creators need to stop being passive learners and start being experimenters. Learning without action is useless. The real game is balancing both. This might sound harsh, but you need at least 50 to 60 videos before you should even think about making money. The creators who survive are the ones who take the slow, reliable route, staying consistent and trusting the process even when results are painfully slow. Most people can't accept that their first few videos didn't go viral. That's when you see small creators begging for subs in comment sections. And trust me, that kills your channel. Those subscribers don't care about your content. They won't click your thumbnails. And when that happens, the algorithm learns one thing: your content is weak, no matter how much effort you put into it. Another big mistake new creators make is obsessing over the wrong metrics: likes, views, and subscribers. They matter, but they're not the most important ones. There are three metrics that actually move the needle. First, click-through rate, CTR. This tells you how many people clicked your video after seeing it. It measures how interesting your title and thumbnail are. Improve CTR and views naturally follow. A 2 to 5% CTR is normal for new channels. Anything higher and you're doing really well. Second, average view duration. This shows how much of your video people actually watch. Think of YouTube like a business. It wants people to stay on the platform. The longer viewers watch your video, the more YouTube pushes it. Third, average views per viewer. This tells YouTube how many videos a person watches on your channel. The algorithm loves binge watching, and that's why playlists are so powerful. Master these three, and everything changes. And finally, remember what Bruce Lee said: be like water. As a creator, rigidity will destroy you. Stay flexible, adapt, flow with what works. A perfect example of this is what happened over the last few weeks. Creators across the world saw a sudden drop in views, with no clear explanation at first. People who were averaging 150,000 views per video suddenly dropped to 60,000. And this wasn't just a new creator problem. Older channels felt it too. Even creators with over 1 million subscribers were hit. No one was spared. According to Valio.com, the combined views of the top 100 most subscribed channels dropped by nearly 50% in just 1 week. That's massive. Some reasons were obvious: ad blockers, seasonal viewing habits, but the biggest reason was YouTube's homepage layout change. Back in 2024, the homepage gave more space to long-form videos. There were 2 rows with 5 videos each, and shorts appeared below them. That layout increased the chances of long videos being discovered, which directly benefited creators. In 2025, YouTube reduced that from 5 videos per row to just 3. It might look cleaner on screen, but it severely hurt creators' reach. And a few months later, YouTube added the final blow by flooding the feed with shorts. This may seem like a small UI tweak, and it might change again, but for now, creators have to accept it and stay consistent. That's exactly why I say, be like water. Instead of panicking over every platform change, keep creating and adapting. Another issue hurting creators right now is that YouTube is prioritizing new uploads over older evergreen content. Videos that used to perform steadily for months or even years are now being ignored in favor of fresh uploads. Maybe this is YouTube trying to compete with platforms like Meta or TikTok. But as a creator, you can't let that distract you. You have to adjust, evolve, and keep moving forward. At the end of the day, way, YouTube will keep changing. Layouts will shift, algorithms will evolve, and trends will come and go. You can't control any of that. What you can control is your output, your mindset, and your ability to adapt. Creators who survive aren't the smartest or the luckiest, they're the most flexible. And this is exactly why most creators fail when YouTube changes. They react emotionally instead of analytically. They chase views, trends, and shortcuts instead of understanding alignment. If creators really want to escape slop, they need feedback that rewards substance, not cheap engagement. That's where the social billboard comes in. Instead of pushing you to manipulate attention or follow every algorithm shift, it breaks down your trust score, shows how closely your audience actually aligns with your content, and highlights the gaps that quietly limit reach, brand interest, and long-term growth. In a platform that keeps changing, clarity beats chaos every time. Kindly hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon.